Okay, this is a thunderstorm that we're having right now.
With me.
Yeah, with you, with Sarah and Nathan.
Hi.
Say hi to your friends.
Hi, friends.
Now let me get some of these before it quits.
Hey, wait. Hi, Tony. Hi, Phoebe. Hey.
Okay, now get out of the way. Let me get to their side. Oh, that was a good one.
Whoa.
Nathan, did you use the shampoo to wash your hair?
I use shampoo and conditioner mixed together.
Oh, okay. Use the Pantene. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you going to eat the rest of the sandwich or no?
So then I'm doing a YouTube video. You think everybody wants to hear about your sandwich? Trying to catch some of these lightning bolts for Sarah to show her.
Whoa.
Oh, wow, that was a good one.
I like sandwiches. Whoa.
Oh, that was a good. Oh, there's another one. Wow, those are some good ones. And today's date is what?
Saturday,
21st.
July 24th. Right now, it is 8:08 p.m.
We'll just make this a nice 2-minute video and whatever we catch.
Whoa, that was a big one.
Some stuff coming out of
Just
there.
like your face. My big as your head. Or your butt. Buttock. Your buttock.
Sure like to see
Get
one
some
more
of it.
giant bolt out of this.
Wait. Hold on. Ow. That was a big one.
Yeah.
Oh, like a donut. And once. Whoa.
Glimpse of that one. There's some major stuff coming through here right now.
Once
At that one.
lightning bolt almost struck our house. No one cares. Shampoo and conditioner. I clean you up. Let's take a
one
shower.
more lightning bolt and we're
I'm gonna
gonna
kill you, Annie. Let's take a shower.
call this. Oh,
Ow. I just banged my forehead on the window. Ow. Oh.
I think we've got enough here. 3
Oh, wait,
minutes.
I want to smell.
We'll make it fast. 'cause
Hi,
then-
Phoebe. Bye, Phoebe.
Yep.
Bye, Tony. Bye, Phoebe.